Magnitude 3.4 earthquake shakes San Bernardino area. A magnitude 3.4 earthquake struck Thursday in the San Bernardino area. The U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, says the quake was reported at 6:05 a.m. about 2 miles southwest of San Bernardino. It was recorded at a depth of about 10 miles. There were no immediate reports of damage. While there are many variables involved, geologists say damage does not usually occur until the earthquake magnitude reaches somewhere above 4 or 5.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.